Okay, I think I've figured out the problem here. The problem is probably not with the espresso maker as much as it is the instructions. In these instructions, it never says to put the coffee maker first in the upright, the standby mode, which you have to do in order for it to warm up. So that's the first typo that you have here. The second issue is that my steam never started, because down here it says after the hot water comes out, turn it to the steam, and then the steam is going to emit steadily, and then you put it back into standby. But there's a step they miss here, because you need to put the coffee maker into standby before you put it into steam. And here, let me show you. So here's the hot water. Now the instructions say after the hot water stops, turn it to the steam button. But when it does that, as you can see, both lights flash, which lets you know that there's an error. However, if you put it back to standby and let the standby illuminate, give it just a minute while it warms up. Now turn it to steam. And then immediately starts working.